In this video, you'll be learning how to take a timed test within the ULAT program. You can go to the lessons either through the daily plans or through the Contents button. We'll click on Contents and go to the table of contents for Spanish specifically. You see stop signs next to different lessons within the ULAT program. These stop signs indicate that that particular lesson contains a test. You can click on the stop sign and go directly to the test within that lesson, or you can click on the green button which will take you to the beginning of the lesson, and that's what we will do here. Here we are on lesson 1.16. You see by the stop sign in the upper right hand corner that this lesson contains a test. However, you also see three buttons with which you may not be familiar up to this point. These three buttons actually operate the countdown timer, as you will see in a moment when you take the test. We click on the stop sign to go directly to the test, and here you see an old-fashioned stopwatch, which is not a link to anything. It's merely telling you that here is where you find the amount of time that you have allotted for this particular test. In other words, you have 1 minute and 15 seconds, or 75 seconds, during which you can take this test. The tests exist in 4 different forms. Before we look at one of the 4 forms, let's click on the percent sign, and there you see you're given a grading key which is proposed to enable the teacher to determine how to evaluate your score. Now going to test number 2, for example, when we're ready to begin taking the test, in order to time the test, we're going to click on Start. And as we click on Start, the time will start to tick off. So here we go. I click on Start, and you see it says segundos, 73, 72, and the time is slowly going by. At that point, we would begin speaking, and we'd go as far through the test as we're able. Now we'll fast forward to just 5 seconds to go before the test ends. Now you see there are only 5 seconds remaining. You're in item number 10. You haven't finished the test yet, and suddenly this sign will pop up, this window, which indicates that you're to stop taking the test. In fact, as you can see, if I click on the window and try to advance the test, it's now frozen. I can't advance it because the test time has expired. If you would like to have more time, or your teacher would like to give you more time to complete the test, all that is necessary to do is to click OK, which closes the window, the stop window, and the student at that point can continue advancing the test toward the end. You may find that older videos within the ULAT present you with an alternative method for timing your tests. However, this one that you've seen within this video is now the only applicable timing method within the entire ULAT program.